Hello, welcome to my page. This is Ricky Paskett Official. If it's your first time, hit like and subscribe. What do I got myself here? This is a 1910s Spotlight for a Ford Model T off of an old police paddy wagon, and silver plated inside. I need to clean that silver plate, make it shiny. And then I don't know, I'm thinking about maybe I should just do the rim black, leave the rest bare metal, leave that and just spray it. But I gotta see, because I gotta get these coils taken care of. But I know if I don't take care of this soon, this rust is gonna take back over again. It's notorious. It doesn't want to stop, the rust. So it's going to keep on trying and trying to rust. That's the thing about oxidization. The rust keeps on trying to win. Especially on something this old, almost 100 years old. They're going to keep on... Anyhow, I don't want to take too long of your time. So I guess I'll make this one a short video and try and make a longer one in a little bit.